firearms license certificate. Thank you very much for coming.
Asante sana.
Come, I want to take a mama in front. So we have to move because nataka mama onekane. So we have to move. We have to move. We have to move a bit.
Are we ready now? Thank you all for coming. I am not going to speak for very long. I want to be very clear. First, let me thank God for bringing us this far. You can see my family here. We have been through a lot of trauma. I want to thank them for standing with me during the last 2 or 3 weeks of what you call crooked Ruto's anarchy. Crooked Ruto's anarchy. And I want to address William Samoei Ruto here. The courts today have upheld the constitution of this country. And you seem to be trying to live in an era that has long passed. William Ruto, why do you fear me? If you fear me, be a man, come and deal with me properly, kiwanjani ya siasa, not in my home, terrorizing my family, and not in these courts with trumped up charges. You are afraid that we are redefining the politics of this nation. We are moving away from a myopic tribe and region. Your useless kutenga and lies. We have now moved to the realm of the truth and issue-oriented politics, based primarily today on the economy of Kenya. Debate me on the economy. Don't try and create criminality in your muck. I'm not going to join your pigsty. It is a pigsty. William Ruto, know today I am coming for you because I believe Ruto must go. Asante sana.
Nataka kumkimbiza na mumkimbiza.
Down. Tukabimpati hao. Sawa.